Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about how to create instance in AWS. Before you start that create instance, ensure you are in correct region, where you are going to create instance. The instance name will be shown in that right top corner. If you want to change the region, you can. This one is the EC2 dashboard. It shows the current EC2 status, like how many instances running and security group and volumes and keywords like that. So now we are going to launch the instance. We need to follow 7 steps on creating the instance. So the first step is to select the AMI. Amazon provide lot of AMI. The AMI is that what kind of OS, like Linux, Ubuntu, Red Hat, Windows, like that. So Amazon provide Amazon Linux, Red Hat Enterprise, Ubuntu Server, Microsoft Windows, and deep learning AMI. Like that, there are lot of AMIs available based on the version like that. So in this case, we need to have Ubuntu instance. So I select the Ubuntu server. Second step is instance type. The instance type is mainly because of the physical configuration of the instance, like that how many CPU and how many memories, like that. So in that case, Amazon provide T2 micro as a free tier eligible as a one CPU cycle and one memory, like that. So I okay with this one. I select that T2 micro. The third step is we need to configure the instance details. The instance details like number of instances we want and the network the instance going to map and the subnet, and that if the instance need public IP or not, and that protection termination protection, like that. Though, and ensure that public IP will be compulsory if you want to connect the instance outside the AWS, and the termination protection will help you to prevent that instance in the accident cases like crashing that OS or like that. During the time it will be stop that instance rather than terminate the instance if we enable that option. And fourth step is adding storage. The storage is nothing but our hard disk. How much volume you want. So predefined it have that volume of 8 GB. If you want in more volume, you can change that. It will be as a root volume. If you want the extra drive like that C drive or D drive, like that, you can mount a extra volume, and this one is a EPS. So like that you can name that type of volume type, and you can change the volume type as a general purpose or magnetic, like that, and you can change the volume size. So I'm okay with the root volume, so I'm going to remove that external volume. And the next one is we're going to mention the instance name. So the tag name will help you to easily figure out the instance, and the name what you given this place will be name as instance name. So like in this case, I type a test. So the test will be name map as a instance name. So the important one is the sixth step as a security group. The security group help you to prevent the instance from the hackers, and it will avoid the any attacks. So we need to know what are the port we're going to open like that. So make sure that port 22 is the default open the port for the SSH connection. And if you are running any project, like if you going to run a project on the 8000 port, you need to add a new rules like I have the port 8000, so you need to select the prototype. What kind of prototype? It's the TCP prototype or UDP prototype or any other prototype like that you need to mention, and you need to mention that port. So the seventh step is we going to review what we select in the previous six cases, six steps. So first I select we select the Ubuntu server, and second one is the instance type, and third is a security group, and the fourth is a instance detail, how many instances we going to launch, and the terminal production is with F, and the network is this one, and storage, how much volume you are going to add. You are added already. We have the root volume as a HTTP and the tag name as a test. So we are okay with the configurations what we said in this steps. So now we are going to launch the instance. In the launch instance, it will ask for the keeper. The keeper, the way we are going to connect the instance from outside the AWS. So I don't have any existing keeper, so I'm going to create a new keeper. So I just going to mention the name of a test. On downloading keeper, the launch instance button will be enabled. So after clicking the launch instance, the instance will be launched. You can connect the instance using the download keeper. Thank you for watching this video.